Why would anyone invite her to these events? She only starts trouble for the married men in the office.
Really, I didn't know that.
You, my friend, do not fit the bill.
Oh, meaning?
Naked fingers are a real turn-off. You don't get it, do you? You're not her type.
Why would you say that? She was excited when I asked her to join us today.
You invited her. Just remember I told you so.
How bad could this end up? Maybe this time is different. She hasn't met the Wonder Stud yet?
You mean Blunder Stud, right? I remember our first date.
Oh, stop right there. I didn't know they charged extra for kids under 12. He would have been fine in the car.
Know what? I think the two of you just might work.